Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, so this game is called Hybrid Animals. I know it by heart. We're going to be starting a new game. So I guess I should combine the weirdest things together. Maybe a cheeseburger. Alligator. I'm just curious. Alright, this is all I got. Cheeseburger and alligator. Let's take a look. Alright, Poison Sting is its ability. The Mick Chomper. I like this. Alright, out in the wild we go. We're level 1. Alright, how about the market over here? Shoot. Everything's like either for money or gems. 7 gems for a mutation. Alright, we better find gems then. Alright. And like a mutation is like adding more animals to this. That's just my friend talking, I'm sorry. I may have heard this in the morning. I'm just saying to make me getting annoying. I keep on telling him to stop anything. He's playing his own little game here. Now he has a YouTube channel. It's Mr. Funny JK. Make sure to like and subscribe to him. Still level 1. I'm just collecting resources. And that's why I haven't been doing much. So here's like the food that we eat. Pumpkins. Like they added a lot to this game. I haven't played it in such a long time. Because I have other accounts which I'm like bougie at. Alright, bear, raccoon. Can I fight you? Oh, sorry. Poison Sting. Yeah. I died. Alright then. Okay. Now, Mutant Lizard, I mean, like, you probably wouldn't like him, but he's a tiny bit bougie in this, I'll be honest with you. He's supposed to wear a top hat. He's not right now. He used to wear a top hat. Just doesn't wear it anymore. Now, hold on. Sorry, my friend's trying to annoy me right now while I'm filming a video. Because that's what he is, very annoying. He's laughing right now. Stop it! My friend keeps on annoying me. I'm very sorry. Alright, I'm in the water splashing room. Yeah, so you may think these are my homes, but wait till you see. Alright, so I actually have a mansion. You may not believe it, but I have a mansion. I just haven't played this game in a long time. Is this the place? Oh yeah, here's my mansion. See this? This is my friend's house. Not a different friend. He likes on my videos a lot. Anyways, so this is my mansion. And my thing is this. I know. Nothing too special. My friend likes to stay here sometimes. So yeah. This is my friend's place. And friends. Now we call my other friends here on this this YouTube channel, The Dean. If you see him in person, just call him his real name. Alright.
I got the map.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, he just did a woman by himself and I got the map.
Also, you should teleport to this friend that's right here in my home right now. He is Mr. Funny JK. He is on YouTube. He does not do TikTok for some reason. And I find that very weird. But he does Instagram. Follow Mr. Funny JK on his Instagram.
Yeah, my Instagram is... I'll tell you.
Yeah, he'll tell you his Instagram. Oh gosh, why do I keep on pressing that one button? So I have two powers, which I will show you. Oh gosh. You guessed it. I could turn giant. Yeah. So it looks like there's this area locked. Hold on. Why is the area locked? And I also have something like, I get this dude in. Get away from me. And this dude's coming in here, so I'll just fight him for a second. And jump. Alright, looks like I'll be level 31 soon. That's just one XP right there. I'm not poop, my friend's being annoying over here.
Whoa, there's an actual...
Alright, subscribe to the channel Poop. My friend says there's a channel called Poop. He's trying to be a big help to everyone right here. Alright. Oh god! These seismic toss. Here's Mama. That was a hard one, guys. But I'm lucky I got it. Phew. Alright, that's one egg. Another egg to go. I don't want an eagle dwarf. Alright. I guess I should take something more exotic if I could get something like that. There's dwarf bears there. Like, once you hatch these things, they're like freaking sidekicks. So, yeah. I pretty much need one. We might end off the video once we, find one. And next video, I will, show you guys the sidekick and do some stuff with it. Because I've had sidekicks before, but they've died. Side story, but true. Maybe I'll have some new guys over here. Human. Oh, I remember. There's only humans here. Because you can find the monitor.